Like the Tesla, the electric engine and battery are the key, and likely the most costly, parts of the Prodeco Tech electric bike. We were informed that each Prodeco bicycle accompanies a progressed Lithium-particle battery that uses a lithium-particle determined science with an any longer life cycle and higher vitality thickness over other Lithium-particle advances. It's ready to keep up a steady release voltage, which implies you'll approach full power until the point when the battery is released. To us, this makes an interpretation of absolutely to delayed fun? More on that later. It's really obvious that Prodeco saved no cost or quality when it came to designing their line of electric bikes. When we delved into the historical backdrop of the 7-year-old bicycle organization more, we discovered that Prodeco Technologies HIT and Association manage one of the world's best Lithium-particle battery makers. The vital organization enabled Prodeco to consolidate the top-of-the-line Lithium-particle battery, an innovation that is once innate while utilized because of its higher cost, on the greater part of their bicycles, giving them a considerably bigger upper hand over other e-bicycle makers. It was a win-win for Prodeco, premium Lithium-particle battery innovation and at a value point that is frequently on par, if not less expensive, than e-bicycles of substantially lesser quality. Had it not been for the back-mounted battery pack, an obvious hint this was something more than only a customary bicycle, we would have never possessed the capacity to tell that the Storm 300 was really an electric bicycle. Prodeco ran with ultra-lightweight and vitality-productive execution engine that is mounted straightforwardly onto the wheel center point. The 300-watt engine, 500-watt top, tips the scales at just 5.5 pounds. However, what's significantly cooler is that the engine is joined by means of a weatherproof snappy detach connector, making engine swaps secure. We recognize what you're considering. And yes, you can move up to an all the more capable variant of the electric engine. Prodeco Technologies is the Tesla of electric bicycles. Through immaculate execution and a no-bargains approach, they've figured out how to reform the electric bicycle industry and wind up one of the pioneers inside the top-notch section. It's no big surprise that the Prodeco Tech mark has turned into the bicycle of decision for Tesla proprietors and fans.